Tripp is about to learn that commercial roofing systems can come with warranties on both the materials and the labor, and that he has responsibility to make sure those warranties are valid.
Definitely want the warranties to be valid.
Indeed you do, Tripp. Indeed you do. Especially because some manufacturers provide what we in the biz call a no-dollar limit warranty, or NDL. NDL warranties typically cover a wide range of issues, including defects in materials and workmanship, leaks, and other roofing system failures. So you won't have to worry when something like this happens. In order for Tripp to get an NDL, the manufacturer will insist that the roof system be installed by one of their approved roofing contractors. Remember when I told you that you would have a part to play in ensuring the warranty is valid?
Yeah, that was like 20 seconds ago.
One of the most important pieces of an NDL is that the consumer, and that means you, Tripp, makes note of any required inspection and maintenance schedules. Failing to perform the inspections or maintenance can void the warranty, and you know what that means.
Means I'm on the hook for repair or replacement costs.
You are on the hook for any repair or replacement costs.
That's what I just said!